They still don't know that I took a course from Craftshala and I was unemployed for good 6 months. Hi, my name is Tushar. I am from SBL Batch 3 and now I've been placed at Mensa brand as an ASC, taking care of Delhi NCR. Pre-Craftshala, I was more into quality management, regular interaction with the operations team, production team, warehousing team, dispatch team, logistics team with respect to that. I knew that quality would pay me a significant amount monetary gains, but I am expected to give about 20 or 15 years or so. But in case if I shift to sales and business leadership or sales in particular, where I'm able to share my opinions and where my thing will be heard by the senior management. So that is where I thought that I could create a difference and I can solve certain problems, and sales happens to solve problems. It is not only about placing a product or pitching a product. It is more about how you are able to show that picture to the end consumer. Somewhere I read that if you are in your comfort zone, you are not growing enough. Thought of coming out from my comfort zone, leaving that corporate job that is sitting in a comfortable position, asking for follow-ups. Then coming to sales, again, new department, new challenges, new problems needs to be solved, and a new beginning. Sales can actually give you that picture that you are looking for if you spend good amount of time, dedicate those years to the department, and then department will take care of everything that needs to be taken care of. But post that session, I understood that sales is not only about selling a comb to a bald person. It is more about understanding what you are able to offer and trying to cater to that audience that your product is fit for. And then by that I enrolled in. Then I also had a word with Kathy ma'am, who helped me understand. Again, I was very skeptical about because changing of domains. Again, I'm a fresher in this domain, so she helped me understand that it is worth taking a shot. And when I heard the word that Varun sir actually spoke during that webinar, that actually boosted me that yes, I can go to this place. I took a bet on myself. Personally speaking, my parents still don't know about a course that I took for 6 good months because I had certain savings and I was able to take care of my regular needs. I was able to show that I am still working in a 9-to-5 job kind of a stuff, because that is how the schedule was in Craftshala as well. The day started at 9 and then it got ended at 7 or 8 sometimes as well because of the extra charters that were given at points. So normally my parents also thought that he's working from home for good amount of months. But post that, when all the modules got over, all the assessments got over, I was sitting idle. Then my parents spoke to me about, have you left your job? But I said that no, I have not left my job. After 3 or 4 days or so, after that discussion, I got a offer from Mensa branch, and now I'm working out. So they know that he's going out and he's working somewhere.
That's one crazy story, Tushar.
So the project actually helped me in my B2C project. Why a person will talk to you. I should be genuinely interested into that person. It should not be buttery. It should not go over the top. The point should be specific. It should be relevant to that person as well. And I should understand what their pain point is. And so I should be able to identify that burning problem that they wish to solve immediately, and how can I solve for them. In FMCG project, we had learning about how distributor works, sales officer, what is a sales officer, what is a merchandiser, what their different roles are, how to plan these things. So in FMCG project, I was able to interact with the retailers. Now I'm actually applying those things that I have learned in my FMCG project into life, like real life scenarios. I was very demotivated when I got rejected for PassCare demo. Twice I gave it. Still I was not able to make it. So I thought that let's have because I was feeling so low. Rejection actually comes like a trace of a bullet to you, that it hits you hard. So, and again, trying to prepare for that demo, not able to qualify that demo, again getting certain feedback, which was very basic. Now I think that I should have known those things before stepping into that mock call. So I felt very demotivated. but he helped me understand that these are the pointers that actually stood out for a person who scored high, and these were the pointers that actually stood out for you because you are not able to score that good. You are failing in this project again and again. So that actually helped me understand that what can I improve. Again, I gave that demo, and again I got failed by Manav sir. He was, I guess, very harsh on me in that duration of time because he failed me twice. Then he gave us a different company, I guess. Turbo Hire was one, I guess. So I was able to qualify, and then I was able to move forward. And during this duration also, he helped me to understand that how can I keep myself motivated, what went wrong, how could I improve. So those things. And from FMCG project, I can only say Sanjog sir, who was a trainer for me. Staying calm actually will solve many problems, and he was very calm during his lectures as well. Speaking softly to everyone, no matter what the doubt is, no matter what the basic question is. And the big difference that I have able to observe is the mindset that I had with respect to sales. As I mentioned earlier as well, I thought that sales is more about selling a comp to a bald person. Now I am able to see the art and science behind sales. So that is one big difference, that yes, sales is not about just being pushy. Sales is more about understanding, being empathetic, and just delivering the product or the service that you wish to, in order to make sure somebody gets a benefit out of it. I was nervous because this mattered to me a lot, more than I guess anyone else in the batch. I guess this mattered the most. As the opportunities got floated around, I was able to apply to them, and the opportunity was floated around quite frequently in that case. I was able to interview for AI Sensei. I was able to interview for Mensa brands as well, and I was able to crack both. So, and that actually also gave me confidence that I could have done something right, that people are able to choose me and they are willing to pay me even though I'm a fresher. And because of the practical learning experience, first. Second, because of the mentors that are there. And third, because of the personal assistance that was actually given to me. So these are the three big things. Having that mindset only will actually help anyone who wants to get into this program. That you are expected to give in efforts, you will get recognized, and the ultimate recognition is your placement. If you want to looking for growth, you can look for क्राफ्टशाला, क्योंकि टेस्टिमोनियल्स हैं. हम जैसे लोग जो फील्ड पर उतरे हुए हैं, हमने पढ़ाई की है क्राफ्टशाला से, तो यू कैन हैव अ वर्ड विद अस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू कोई भी डाउट अगर आता है तो वी विल बी एबल टू हेल्प यू विद दैट. तो अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू सी अ गुड फ्यूचर फॉर योर सेल्फ, कम इनटू सेल्स. एक ही ज़िंदगी है, रिस्क तो लेना पड़ेगा. तो अगर रिस्क नहीं लोगे तो फिर आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन में रहोगे, और कंफर्ट जोन में शायद ही किसी ने अपने ग्रो किया.